Hi everyone, welcome to another Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial. In today's video, I would like to show you how you can create a product with a free or paid trial in Clickfunnels 2.0. You can do it directly in Clickfunnels 2.0. You don't need to use any plugins, like for example, you would need to use CF Power Scripts for Clickfunnels Classic. If you wanted to have a paid trial, let's get into it. First, you would need to go to the products, click Create Product, select digital, give your product a name, and if you want some description, click Create Product. Here you should choose subscription, enter the amount that you will charge without considering any trial for now, and then how often you will charge your customers, and click Create Price. Now we see the full settings page for this product, and we can take care of setting up the free or paid trial. Go to the pricing section and click Edit the price. Tick this checkbox, product has a trial, and as you can see, you can select between the free trial and the paid trial. Let's start with the free one. Let's say it will be 14 days. Now let's quickly connect this product to the funnel so we can test everything. Click on this icon, select Add Products, click Add Product and choose our subscription product. Let's preview the page now. As you can see, the product description mentions here that this product is free for 14 days, our subscription is free for 14 days, and then the customer will be charged $197 every month. And before we go back and set up a paid trial, if you don't have a Clickfunnels 2.0 account, you can find links to a free trial in the description of this video, and you can start a regular 14-day trial or take the free Your First Funnel challenge and get an extended 30-day trial of Clickfunnels 2.0. It's all explained in the description. And in any case, if you use our link, you will get a Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus to help you master this platform faster. And if you're already using Clickfunnels 2.0, in the description you can also find some packages that will help you to save a huge amount on your subscription. Now let's change our trial to a paid trial. Click on this icon to edit the pricing, select paid trial, choose the length of the trial. Let's say it will be $1. By the way, in case you didn't notice, you can also charge a setup fee. For example, if you would like to help them to set up their account, and it will be just a one-time fee on top of the subscription that they are going to pay. I think it's quite handy in Clickfunnels 2.0. Click Save to save the changes, and let's check if it is updated on our order form. Now our product description says that the 14-day trial will cost $1, and after that the customer will be charged $197 per month for our subscription. That's how easy you can create a free or paid trial for your product in Clickfunnels 2.0. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to enable notifications to not miss out on the future content about Clickfunnels 2.0 and funnels in general. See you in the future videos. Bye bye.